Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do aggressive shake on CapCut. So guys, here I have already created a project on my CapCut PC, and if you want to do aggressive shake on CapCut, the first thing you have to do is clicking on the effect option right here. We're going to put or apply shake effect to our video. Tap on the effect and you can simply select the shake effect. But if you cannot find this shake effect, you can go to body effect, video effect. Then you can click on night clip category. Then you can scroll down to find the shake effect, this one. Then we can drag this effect to our clip like this to apply the effect, and we're going to adjust the strength and also the speed. We can make it 100% like this. We can make it super fast and also super aggressive. And now let's just take a look at the results, guys. I'm going to play the video. Okay, and this is the aggressive effect. Alright guys, and that's how we can do aggressive shake on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.